Did you know that your menstrual cycle could affect your injury risk as an athlete, especially when it comes to your ACL? Let's break down the science in a nutshell. There are hormone receptors all throughout your body, even in your muscles and ligaments. As your hormone levels rise and fall during your menstrual cycle, these receptors activate differently. That means your ligaments, like your ACL, can be affected. The time when injury risk is highest? Phase 2, right before ovulation, when estrogen peaks. That's when ligaments become more lax. And when ligaments lose stability, your biomechanics and neuromuscular control are affected. The result? A greater risk of ACL and soft tissue injuries. So, should you stop training? No way. You just need to train smarter. Use dynamic warm-ups, support recovery with the right nutrition, and strength training. These strategies help protect your ligaments and boost performance all cycle long. As a female athlete, understanding your cycle is a game changer. Knowing when you're most at risk can help you prevent injury and train with confidence. Because when you train in sync with your body, you train stronger.